Tesla's Dog Mode is a feature designed for Model 3 and Model Y owners to keep their pets safe, cool, and visible when left unattended in the vehicle. Introduced in 2019 and expanded in 2020, it uses the car's climate control system to maintain a comfortable temperature and displays a message on the touchscreen, assuring passersby that the pet is safe and the temperature is being monitored. As of December 2025, it remains a standard feature, continuously enhanced through software updates. To activate Dog Mode, start by parking your Model 3 or Model Y in a shaded, secure location with all doors and windows closed. Next, access the climate control settings on your touchscreen. Select Dog Mode from the climate options. A message will appear on the screen showing the interior temperature and confirming your pet is safe. Place your dog on the driver's seat or passenger seat. Note that this is not recommended for larger pets due to airbag risks. The car's sensors, weight, motion, and cameras will detect the pet. Finally, confirm by pressing the lock button on the key fob twice quickly or use the Tesla app. Dog Mode includes several key safety features to protect your pet. First, Dog Mode prevents the car from being driven while active, ensuring your pet stays safe. The feature displays the interior temperature on the touchscreen, reassuring concerned onlookers. If the interior temperature exceeds safe limits, like above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll receive a notification on your Tesla app. The car may now default to a lower interior temperature threshold, such as 70 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent overheating. Some models use the internal cabin camera to provide a live view of your pet via the Tesla app, offering additional peace of mind. Dog Mode has important limitations that every pet owner should understand to ensure their pet's safety. Dog Mode relies entirely on the vehicle's battery power. If the battery is low, the feature will be disabled, leaving your pet without climate control or monitoring. The feature is best suited for short errands in mild weather conditions. In extreme heat or cold, battery drain increases significantly, and the system may not maintain safe temperatures effectively. Never leave your pet unattended for extended periods, even with Dog Mode active. The feature is designed for brief absences only, and prolonged use can still pose risks to your pet's health. Dog Mode is not a substitute for responsible pet ownership. Always assess the situation carefully and prioritize your pet's safety over convenience. Use your judgment based on weather, duration, and your pet's needs. While Dog Mode uses advanced AI algorithms to improve detection accuracy, it is specifically designed for pets and does not work with humans or inanimate objects. The system may not detect other living beings or items left in the vehicle. Understanding these limitations helps ensure that Dog Mode is used safely and effectively as part of responsible pet care. Tesla continuously improves Dog Mode through software updates. Recent updates, version 12.3 and later, have enhanced pet detection accuracy using AI, reducing false positives by up to 30%. As of late 2025, the feature supports multi-pet detection. It also integrates with Tesla's energy management system, optimizing battery usage during Dog Mode and extending runtime by 10 to 15% in hot climates. These updates ensure greater reliability and safety for your pets. Many Tesla owners have successfully used Dog Mode to keep their pets comfortable during short trips. User case studies document positive experiences, like a Texas family who kept their German Shepherd and Husky comfortable during a 2-hour grocery trip in 90 degrees Fahrenheit heat. The app's live stream allowed monitoring with minimal battery usage. Another case involved a California owner using Dog Mode during a short errand, where the feature's camera feed alerted them to check on their pet quickly. In rescue organization pilots, Dog Mode reduced stress in pet transports by 25%, showcasing its reliability. However, it's crucial to note that false activations can occur, such as when a backpack is left on the seat. Always double-check the system is functioning correctly and monitor your pet through the app when possible. Veterinarians praise Tesla's Dog Mode as a valuable tool for responsible pet owners. Dr. Emily Parker from the ASPCA calls it a game changer for mitigating heat stroke risks, which kill over 1,000 pets annually in the United States, according to ASPCA data. Statistics from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration show that EV pet modes like Tesla's reduce vehicle-related pet deaths by 50% compared to traditional cars. As of 2025, 65% of Model 3 and Model Y owners have activated dog mode at least once, demonstrating its growing popularity and effectiveness. Always consult local laws regarding leaving pets in vehicles, as regulations vary by location. Prioritize ethical pet care by ensuring pets are not left unattended for extended periods. Dog mode provides helpful monitoring and climate control, but it is not a replacement for your direct care and attention. Remember, while dog mode enhances safety through temperature control and monitoring, responsible pet ownership means never leaving pets unattended for long periods. Use this feature wisely as part of your overall pet care routine. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to expand dog mode to future vehicles like the Cybertruck and Robotaxi fleet. This expansion will bring advanced pet safety features to more of Tesla's lineup. Trends include integration with smart home devices, allowing seamless activation and monitoring through systems like Alexa or Google Home. AI-driven predictive cooling will analyze weather forecasts to automatically prepare the optimal climate for your pet before you even arrive. The broader adoption of companion modes in EVs is expected, driven by sustainability concerns and pet welfare advocacy. More automakers are following Tesla's lead. Future iterations may incorporate biometric sensors for heart rate monitoring of pets, providing real-time health data and further enhancing their safety and well-being. Together, these advancements represent Tesla's commitment to pet welfare in an increasingly electric vehicle world, combining innovation with compassion.